What's up, Taylor? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, what do we see? This is the 4 hour time frame, and gold we might find a good trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's see a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll look for the possible trading opportunity in this 4 hour time frame. So, what do you see that monthly time frame? Gold previous months, gold has created this long week candle, which we can say a shooting star on a level of support. Now, after this shooting star, as usual, we saw a reaction to the upside from the buyers, but they couldn't make it through much. We saw that around half week of the long week, around 50% of this week, and that is what I actually expected in my weekly forex forecast. If you have seen that, what did I say? That gold is likely to go around to this zone and then will drop. And what we see that gold has done almost exactly as it is. If you see the monthly time frame, the price went to this level. Now we saw a drop. Now from here we might see a further drop on gold. We might see that this monthly low has been broken, maybe coming to this zone and again rise up. That's how the market moves. So with that being said, this monthly candle is closing after 1 week. So in the meantime, we might see another impulsive move to the downside on the gold, as this is now a bearish market. So with that being said, let's see on the weekly time frame. Now, weekly, we saw that after this rejection, the price consolidated, broke above. Now we see another breakdown after this kind of move. As you have seen, gold already has created a lower low, and we saw a false breakout to the upside of this resistance, and then now it is moving down. So with that being said, we might see further drop somewhere along this line. Let's see the monthly support level, then we will know that what could be the possible destination for gold. So with that being said, gold could reach to this level, even broke this level, maybe testing this long week doji on the weekly on the red, and then again creating a bullish move. So let's find out the daily time frame, how the price action is forming. Now on the daily, we saw that the price first created a reversal pattern here. So if you see on the lower time frame, you can see as a reversal, we can say that this is a kind of double top formation. So what you see, correction impulse correction, and created basically a double top. So when you see this kind of double top, what you can expect, the price to go up again, test this previous support as resistance, and then continue to drop. So let's draw this level here. Now what we can see from there, gold is likely to test this previous support as resistance and then drop. So with that being said, if we draw this level here on the daily time frame, then what we see that gold is still didn't test this previous support as a resistance here. Instead, as soon as the daily candle closed, gold started to drop immediately. So let's find out now on the 4 hour time frame what is likely to happen. So what I think that, as you have seen that, first of all, gold impulsively broke down, created this slow retracement, which is nice, healthy. Now we see that another move to the downside. So what it might happen that, as you can see, after 46 minutes, this candle is going to close, and unlikely that it will create a new lower low here. With that being said, we might see another candle here. So what we could see possibly a doji here. If we see a doji, the next one, then we could potentially see a head and shoulder in this 4 hour time frame. And there is what is another possibility, high probability, that this doji even could broke all this high, test this previous daily support. This is the previous daily support that we have seen as a resistance, and also test this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame, and then drop. So if this is the case, then we will be waiting for today's high impact news release later today. And as soon as the news release done, if we see a doji here has been formed along this zone, if we see a doji has been formed, then we will be trading gold to the short side, keeping something like that, keeping stop loss above the doji, if this is the case. And then we'll target at least to this level, which is the monthly support, which could give us more than 2 to 1 we were to risk trade Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me and also drop a comment below to help this idea. Keep in mind that this is not an investment advice, this is just for an educational purpose. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.